Agua.
Sim, Mitch. Teka.
Virgin.
Or even how to kiss me.
The headache, I need a oxygen.
Alright, so today we're going to be testing out the what's it called? The lavalier microphones. It's day, I don't know how many, I don't know what day, but it is multiple day of the Tacoma situation. Brian's on his way over. We're going to be pretty much just reassembling the interior of the truck. Hopefully we're going to get it to something usable, drivable. Mechanically it was fixed. It did dump itself out onto the driveway, which is pretty nice. Got a nice little colorful decoration there, but other than that, onward and onward. This car sometimes embarrasses you for its volume, but let me not say that. It doesn't embarrass you for its volume. What it embarrasses you for, its oiliness and its smokiness. That's where the embarrassment comes from. Wagwan. Easier to move it than to work around it in the garage. All right, this should be interesting.
Wait, you have the real truck on the other side?
No, all right.
You still got the cat litter underneath, but you're good.
That should be straight.
Rasclat.
Wait, Wagwan. Yo, Medina. A seat delete.
How far back the seat go, Bridget?
Virgin. In a short shift of this in a dog.
Come on.
Oh, the plus side.
I don't know. Sorry, wicked team then.
That's not good.
What?
It's soaked. Look. It's soaked. Oh no, it's chilling. The box is soaked, but the cat litter isn't. I got a little nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Put it in next door.
Cógelo tuyo.
Agua.
Sim, Mitch. Teka.
I dropped mine.
I can't find the hole. I can't find the
Nah,
hole,
nah,
Bridget.
this
Oh, wait.
way. Oh,
See it.
hold on, Richard. This does not seem very. Is there not something that's supposed to be here? I find that doesn't look right. Is there something that is supposed to go here?
Bridget, I don't know. This is the first time I see this.
First for me too, Richard.
Oh, wait. Oh, I almost had a.
Richard, I really don't think so. I hit this. Let me check the archive. Hold on.
Another boat, but it's a bigger boat. I don't think that one's gonna work.
But no, Richard, you can't just upgrade size.
We mash it up. Make
We
it.
have a mash it up next.
Now make it eat them.
I love you, baby. Don't know how to let you.
Or even how to kiss me. No,
Bridget, I can't find it now. Hold on, where the videos when we did? Was this one of those? Oh, it's on the GoPro. It's not on my phone.
You can download it from the GoPro.
It's in the house.
In the
Boom.
You remember that uncle? He's like,
No, what is
you
that?
never seen the guy's like, my dad. So like people be telling me like, you don't know how to do it, bro. Like, you just be getting frustrated. He's like, and then the son was like, the guy was,
Okay. You did it though. You did.
So we
you
can put
know,
it in the video.
It's Unk, bro. Yeah, we'll put it in. Bro.
Yeah, I'll put it in.
You need parts? Let us know, man. We have a bunch in the back of the truck.
It seems like you got a large selection.
We use all of it for ourselves, but we getting more soon.
It sounds like a good deal to me, man. So, coming along. Rotted, what?
This thing.
Interior is coming along decent. Now doing this back bit.
Wait, hold up. Let me make sure.
Oh, and I pointed down. You can't see? Oh, look who,
Nah,
look
not
who
even.
arrived back. The freedom has arrived, brethren. Freedom! Ah! God damn! Freedom has arrived.
Is that this?
The freedom.
I tried. I can't do it.
Got some screaming freedom. Ah!
Yeah, so that bridging. Yard
America.
mountain in the yard.
All right, interior's together. It looks like minus a couple panels. Everything bolted up. Good to go. Almost ready for the road. Minus a couple bobs. And dude, I like the black. The black carpet looked kind of raw with the other color. All right, first drive on the road since the oil change. You feel the transmission issue?
Yeah. Like it is a neutral.
It's probably halfway.
The door is open in the box, Bridget?
Is it open? Yeah, let me close the door. Let me latch it.
So why is it that it doesn't want to?
Try to catch, because it's kind of weird. Come on, try to catch drive different. Let me fix that. These screws are simply suggestions. Okay. It worked. Cool. Virgin. Job well done.
Well done, Bridget.
All right, truck in motion.
There's motion at the front. Dope.
Bro, that's one of my favorite. Every time the front door says there's motion at the front door, I just remember the little money spread from the seal. There's a weird device that was left in it by the previous owner, so we're gonna cut it out, and then this is nice. I like this thing. It's tight. I'm telling you, that wire is made of I don't know what the hell. Now the next mission is to find out what the hell this is. It even had a little like adjuster here. I really want to know what this was. We're gonna try to put the truck inside of the garage. I don't know how that's gonna go, but gauging it up right now to do it. We'll see. We'll see if it works or not. Get straight. Straight back, you good? Keep bringing her straight. How much? Keep going. You got like 2 feet. All right. Leave it there real quick. Don't move. How much you got?
There's a lot more.
Ahí está. Right there, Regin. Yeah, man. Yo, Rask. Regin. Regin. You have to see the toe hitch. The toe hitch nearly rasped the door. But you're fine there. Yeah, man, you're straight.
Look at the man swinging through. Tarzan yard, man.
Yeah, man, I eat that. A parking job that. Throw back to the Porter days, Reggie. Reverse, you have to go 4th and then 6th. Where 6th gear would be. But you have to hit 4th first. No. There you go. You have to really like handle it. Don't start it yet. You'll turn it back off for a second. And then let it sit. And then put it back in ignition. Or like on, but don't start it. Prime the fuel pump pretty much. So go to on first. Alright, you should be good to start it now. Yeah. Pick it up. There you go. Huh? What are you trying to do? Should be alright there.
I have a headache. I need a Excedrin.
Regin, you see how it stay? And imagine that, but before we fixed it, it wouldn't even run until 180 degrees.
Should it be?
Oh, you have to, yeah, tilt that back.
I completely forgot to film an outro. And I also had my mouth hanging open too long before I did it. Let me try that again. I'm coming to you from the future because I entirely forgot to film an outro. So here it is. The Tacoma's up. Finally, it's been 2 years. We bought that thing a long time ago. And it's finally ready to at least be driven. The transmission is giving some semblance of an issue, which you did see in the garage clip there towards the end. But yeah, we're pretty much road ready, almost ready for it to help us make some money with Reflections, the mobile detailing aspect. There's a couple more things to do, registration, insurance, but the hard part's out of the way. unless we need a transmission. Then I guess it's almost out of the way. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know that YouTube likes me saying that, and it evidently is really important. So do it now, or in the past, or in the future, whichever time slot this works out to. So really, really appreciate your viewership, and have a great rest of your day, or night, or morning, or fortnight. What other times of day are there? Is that it?
Did you say evening?
I did. I think so. Did I say evening? I think I said evening. Anyways, bye.
Why you wanna fly, blackbird?